Hi, I'm Kevin. In this video, I want to show you how to cancel a friend request you have successfully sent on Facebook. So you can cancel a friend request after you have successfully sent it. And in this video, I will be showing you the step by step on how to cancel it successfully. And this is the same method I have been using to cancel any friend request that I don't want anymore. So this is going to be an easy method. So make sure to watch the video to the end so you understand how to cancel any friend request you have successfully sent on Facebook. And with that being said, I'm getting started right away. So what you need to do is to log into your Facebook account. So I am here in my Facebook account. I've logged in. So what you need to do is to click on this three dots here. You click on it, and you scroll down and click on Help Center. Click on Help Center. As you can see, Help Center here. So click on it. So and with this search bar, we need to search cancel sent friend request. As you can see it here, cancel sent friend request. We click on search. So these are the options. In this first one, how do I remove or cancel a friend request I sent to someone on Facebook? So you need to click on it. So and this will appear here. So to cancel a friend request you sent, number one, go to your sent friend request. So number two, type cancel next to a friend request to cancel it. So what you need to do in this case is to click on this number one here, sent friend request. We need to click on it. So all the friend requests we have successfully sent will appear. The list of them will appear. So as you can see here, these are the friend requests I have sent on. I have successfully sent. So I need to cancel them. So as you can see here, cancel. So when we click cancel, it will cancel now. So I need to click cancel here. So to cancel them, as you can see, the request have been cancelled. As you can see here, request cancel. Request cancel. So I will keep on canceling them. Anyone that I don't want. So this is how to cancel a friend request you have sent on Facebook. If you don't want it anymore, you can follow these steps and cancel it swiftly. So as you can see, this is just an easy method on how to cancel a friend request you have sent on Facebook. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you give this video a like, and under the comment section of this video, make sure you comment what you thought about the video. Comment about anything you want, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, which is 𝗟𝗲𝘁'𝘀. So anytime I drop any new videos, you will get notified. So subscribe to the channel. Under the video, you will see a red subscribe bar. So click on it. This, as you can see here, subscribe. So I click on subscribe and tap the bell notification icon so that you will get notified immediately I drop a new video. You see here, select all, and you will get a notified when I drop a new video. So thank you for watching the video. I am Kevin from 𝗟𝗲𝘁'𝘀.com, and have a nice day ahead. Bye.